See the photograph, students. Now we are going to discuss about the president. The president is the head of the state. In our political system, the head of the state exercises only nominal powers. Thus, the president is like the Queen of Britain, whose functions are to a large extent ceremonial. Now, let's discuss how the President of India is appointed. The President of India is elected indirectly by an electoral college in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. The electoral college consists of the elected members of both houses of the parliament, that is MPs, the elected members of the Legislative Assembly of the state, that is MLAs, and the elected member of the Legislative Assembly MLAs of Union Territories of Delhi and Puducherry. A candidate standing for president's post has to get a majority of votes to win the elections. This ensures that the president can be seen to represent the entire nation. The president can never claim the kind of direct popular mandate that the prime minister can. This ensures that he remains only a nominal executive, not the real executive as the prime minister. Now, let's discuss about the powers of the president. First, all governmental activities take place in the name of the president. All laws and major policy decisions of the government are issued in his or her name. Second, all major appointments are made in the name of the president. These include the appointment of the Chief Justice of India, the judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court of the state, the governors of the state, the election commissioner, ambassador to other countries, etc. All international treaties and agreements are made in the name of the president. The president is the supreme commander of the defense forces of India. He or she has emergency powers, that is, powers to deal with an unexpected and critical situation. For example, power to declare emergency or president's rule and issue an ordinance. In spite of these powers, there is limitation on the powers of the president. He can exercise all these powers only on the advice of the Council of Ministers. The president can ask the Council of Ministers to reconsider its advice, but if the same advice is given again, the president is bound to act according to it. Similarly, a bill passed by the parliament becomes a law only after the president gives assent to it. So these are the limitations on the powers of the president.